Peko. Today we talk about la and ita. These words add context to a sentence. In a basic form, these can be summarized as if talking about X, then la adds context in the beginning of the sentence. So, context la, main sentence, and ita does it at the end. So, main sentence ita, context. For example, si lio e atola ali lipona, which means if you have a car, then all is good. The sentence ali lipona ita si lio e ato would mean the same, but si lio e ato ita, not la, ali lipona would mean if everything is good, you have a car. You can also have just a noun as the context, for example, tanamila si lio e ato, which translates to if talking about my thoughts, you have a car. Or in other words, I think you have a car. This is not the recommended nor easy way, because as you saw earlier, noun phrases do a much better job for these kind of statements like militana te si lio e ato. Nonetheless, what would this mean? Munkin la silikente ilo e ilo kalama. It translates to possibly you can use the tool of noise. Tool of noise could be an instrument. Also, you could use la and ita for stuff like tense, aspect and mood, but you will learn this later. Now to a mini chapter on emotions. In a language, you have to be able to express likes and dislikes, worries and satisfactions. Tokima has 14 emotion words. These are all modifiers, but as you learned before, they can be used as nouns and verbs too. Apea, ashamed, atali, respectful, enuyo, bored, kanya, high, intoxicated, kuton, hurt, in pain, lakima, sad, liso, laughing, monsuta, scared, passan, happy, santi, peaceful, calm, tayan, angry, tian, focused, tutu, excited, anticipatory, walaya, surprised. Some example sentences: I like you, mili passan, nensi. Word for word, I am happy because of you. Also can be phrased as you please me. Milio e atali, I have respectfulness or I have respect. Sili tutu monsuta nente sili kanya. You are panicking because you are high. Notice how you can combine emotion words to be more specific. Tutu meaning anticipatory, high heartbeat, and monsuta meaning fearful. A fearful anticipation is panicking. A few more words: weka, absent, away, ignored, missing, removed, tiwata, glass, cup, china, sitten, to sit on, popoto, mountain bump obstruction, one, weak, feeble, nata, relation, relationship, connection, kipisi, to split, to cut, to severe. That's it guys, I hope you learned something. Until next time, Militawa.